George Pappas, i5LED. What we have here is our COB from a 0.6 millimeter all the way to a 2.5 and everything in between. These are super simple to service, front service, one-handed removal and replacement. COB is the latest technology. This is cleanable, durable, extreme viewing angles, highly efficient, low power consumption, and extremely cool. We're doing these in large format. So this is a 0.7, super high contrast. This is what we would call an ultra wide. So you would put this in your boardroom. You could use this for a big desk monitor if you really wanted to. Above here, we also have more COB, but this is a flexible. It's a 1.5 millimeter flexible COB, very wide viewing angles, and extremely bright for indoor. i5LED.